Hi, my name is Nate with Horner Lighting, and today I'm going to show you our enterprise fixture. This fixture is commonly used in parking areas, roadway lighting, and even used for pathway lighting. This is a multi-volt, 120 277 volt fixture. It can also be available in 480 volt. This fixture comes in 8 different sizes, ranging from 40 watts all the way up to 300 watts, which is a lumen output of 5,000 all the way up to 30,000. As mentioned earlier, this fixture comes in multiple sizes. Our 40, 60, and 80 watt fixture only comes with one lens, and the fixture is slightly smaller. Our 150 and 200 watt fixture comes with 2 lenses, and our 240 watt fixture can come with either 2 lenses or 3. And our 300 watt fixture comes with 3. This fixture has 4 different distribution types. We can do anywhere from type 2 all the way up to type 5. For our sensor options, this can come in either a 3-pin or a 7-pin twist lock plug. So we can do standard on-off motion, we can do step-level dimming motion, as well as a photocell. So for mounting, our 40 watt fixture, which is generally used for pathway lighting, is made to fit over 1 1/4 inch conduit. The rest of our fixtures are used to fit over 2 1/2 inch conduit. For mounting in parking lot areas, we can mount to a square or round pole, and we can also mount to a wall. We also have an adjustable mounting bracket that can be used as well. Another great feature about this product are the LEDs. We use chip on board. This allows us to put more LEDs in a smaller space. This gives us more cooling room, which helps dissipate heat. Another great feature is our lens. We use a glass lens instead of acrylic. Our customers like this because it's more durable, there's minimal yellowing over time, and there are certain jobs that require it. So, this is our enterprise fixture. It comes in a gray or bronze finish. It has a lifetime of over 200,000 hours. It's assembled here in the US, and it comes with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty against any defects. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at hornerlighting.com. Thank you.